Hey everybody, welcome to the sixth and final week for Survey of Old Testament. Congratulations to you, you've made it this far, well done. I got a few things to cover, so let's just jump right on in since there are a number of items that are due this week. In addition to sort of the normal load that you've experienced this far, we need to touch base on a couple of other important items as we close up the course. So here we are in week 6, and we're talking about God's final intent. And this week we're talking about the cycle of disobedience and explain the significance as we're talking about the Old Testament narrative. Also talking about the United Monarchy, as well as the relationship between the Old and New Covenants from a covenant perspective. This week's readings, again, we have a couple of chapters again, the last 2 chapters in the course textbook, chapters 8 and 9, as well as some additional reading from the scriptures. You'll note this week too, a couple of short videos. First one's on Job. It's about 11 minutes long, and the second one is on the Psalms. So please be sure to take a moment or take a little bit of time, watch the videos, and reflect on what you're learning there as well. Okay, let's go back here to the course syllabus and look at week 6. In addition to the normal, course outline, and in addition to the normal discussion and application assignments this week, you have a few other things to take care of, right? These are some housekeeping items. End of course evaluation. Would love for your feedback. How did this course go for you? I love to get the feedback. It always helps us make the courses better. Without your feedback, without you saying what was good for you, what didn't work so well for you, without that kind of feedback, we can't make these courses better. So I really do appreciate the feedback. Take some time to do that as well this week after you submit your other assignments. Sound good? Also, note this week there is some extra credit for you. Just a recap discussion, a couple of questions in there, and then you also have the typical post participation test, right? It's required. Just same kind of questions that were asked at the beginning of the course for you to respond to at the end of the course. So these items are in addition to what you normally have, and then there's also the final paper. It's been a great journey with all of you. I hope you've learned a lot. I look forward to seeing you on Wednesday night as we have our Zoom live session. And have a great week, everybody. Take care.